love it. It is so beautiful. So it's always a good day when Thomas is on his way to the garden with me. That makes for a good day. A good day indeed. After me. Yeah, man, you did good. I appreciate that. Guys, it's Taquisha.
I'm Thomas.
And this is Our Freedom Song. And today we are going to be modifying our plastic to fit our hoop house. And so we're so happy that you're here. Let's get to it. So what our plan is, if you didn't see our video on our inexpensive greenhouse / hoop house, definitely check that out, because we pretty much took what we already had and made this hoop house right here. So here's all the leftover plastic that I did not cut. What the plan is to pretty much just get some boards and fasten the boards on each side of the plastic to tighten it and make it nice and secure, and then cut this area right here where the door and entryway is going to be, and we're going to be using a zipper that hopefully works. That we'll figure it out as we go, but yeah, that's what we got going on. So we just switched it up and thought of a better idea, an idea that wouldn't necessarily make us poke holes through all the layers that we rolled up. And so we are going to try an L hook, an L brace. How's those boots feeling? Very comfortable. My boots are very comfortable too. So y'all know I've been out here loving my boots. And I must say, these are super duper comfortable. I'm not worried about a snake biting my ankles. So real quick, Thomas went in to find us a star drill bit. Listen, I have to tell y'all about these boots. Like, literally, these boots are so nice. I know that I've talked about HISEA before when they sent me the garden boots. So first it was my chicken boots, and then it was my garden boots, which I love. And now this specific boot that I'm wearing right now is actually their hunting boot. And I love it. If you watched my video and you saw me out here when we had that snake in the garden, and I was like, oh no, nobody wants to deal with a snake, and I wanted to make sure I had on my rubber boots. I wanted to try their hunting boots because I liked the protection that they said it gives from snakes and other things on the ground. And so that is what Thomas and I are both wearing today. I absolutely love these boots. They are high. As you can see, we are so comfortable, and I feel so well protected, not knowing, what's lurking in the garden. I'm actually wearing the men's hunting boots because I really like the all black. They have women's hunting boots as well, and they are purple, I think, purple and black. They have lots of varieties in the men's sizes. As far as like, they have some camo varieties, and they have these all green ones, and like I said, these black ones. And so they have lots of varieties in the men's sizes. And so I went ahead and got me a pair of men hunting boots, and they are so great. Looking for boots this season, definitely check them out. It's definitely worth it. You will not regret it. Like, how many people are saying they're going to give you 100-year warranty? Like, zero. You know what I mean? It's are literally guaranteed to last our lifetime. If you are looking for some boots this season, definitely check them out. And that's a 100-year warranty. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. I can't say that for anybody else. And from what I've experienced with this brand, they are so comfortable, they're breathable, they are legit. And so if you're looking for them, definitely check them out. I will go ahead and throw up a discount code for 15% off. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove this briefly so that we can attach the plastic. Okay, so these are 2-inch L brackets. This is what we're about to use. So here's what we did. So it's not screwed in the top, but it's just screwed into the wood here. That way, you know, we weren't drilling a hole through 10 layers of plastic. So it's just holding it tightly, which is, I think Thomas had such a great idea with that. So that's what we've done. Okay, so this is the zipper that we're going to be using. I will leave the link below. It came from Amazon. It says self-adhesive zipper. The thing about this zipper though, it says that it literally said, where is that? Oh, it said, note, works best in temperatures below 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, it says 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Like that, where does it get that hot? 70 degrees Celsius. I thought it said 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm like, this is only going to be good literally for the winter. But yeah, this is what we're about to be using. And this is what it looks like. What we're going to do is we're going to align it to where we want it to be. We're going to peel off the sticker, put it on there, unzip it, and then cut a slit. And then zip it back up. Okay, so what are we doing in here with the plastic? We're using the arbor.
So this one won't be a good example. That one is more like what we're going for.
Oh, okay.
Putting the plastic behind this, we're going to fix it to this.
Okay.
That way this is going to act as like a, not really a hinge, but it's going to give us something to the side to stay fastened. That way
oh yeah, unzip it.
Unzip it.
Okay.
It doesn't.
Cool. Got it. It's definitely warmer in here. These blueberry bushes turn so beautiful. They're actually going to be inside the hoop house. I'm going to keep them in the hoop house. So what we're doing is adding a screw with a washer. Okay, so we got the zipper on and I just unzipped it, and now we're going to just cut this, cut the middle all the way up. I found so cool. So. Hey there, Mr. Brooks. Hello. Oh my goodness. That looks so nice. I'm gonna take a step back so you guys can just eat this up with me. I love it. It is so beautiful. I love it. It's amazing what just rolling up this plastic and making it nice and tidy and putting the zipper on our hoop house, like with that sun setting in the back, you know, it just hit different. Come through, zipper. So what Thomas was saying, like on the back side of here, we're actually going to put a piece of wood to weight it down. And so that will be weighted down on the back. And this works amazing. Okay, so I'm going to be planting some daffodils and ranunculus up here in these super simple planter boxes that we put right here in the garden just for flowers that needed to have their own permanent spot. And so this was a great solution to just build a box just for flowers like this, so I wouldn't interfere with or forget that something was planted there. I wanted them to have their own space. So we're going to go ahead and plant them 3 inches apart. I'm gonna zigzag in the ranunculus, so we'll see what that creates. So the girls are going to be bringing some pine straw as well as some wood chips into the garden to fill up our flower beds. Because bulbs are not the only thing I want to plant in this bed, I'm actually going to make a circle in here with some rope so that I know where I planted bulbs. I want to get something more permanent that I can put just right there in the middle that won't really move, but for now what I have on hand is some rope, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other bed. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. We hope that you enjoy this content, that you got to enjoy the garden with us as we were just figuring things out and figuring out how to make our hoop house more secure with some modifications, as well as just getting these flowers planted. We literally waited to the last minute. It is supposed to freeze tonight, and so hopefully all is well and the bulbs have some time to actually solidify in the soil, and come this spring we will actually see beautiful flowers. See you guys next time. I appreciate having a man who can build some stuff. That's why I'm happy he's coming out to the garden with me today. I've called in the big guns right here so that he can. Did you have anything to say about your boots?
Yeah, they super comfy. Even earlier, I had them on all day, and even when you asked me what I think about the boots, I forgot I had boots on.
Oh.
So they're pretty comfy. And, you know, normally on the first day you're breaking them in, but they're comfy and they look good.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they look good.
They look good on you,
So I
boo.
like that. Yeah, so it's really good deal. You know, they feel like they made some good material. I like the fact, like, if you got on jeans or something, that this is, like, I guess, loose enough to fit over your jeans or whatever you got, and it got this fastener back here. So that's cool.
Nice. Thank you.
Welcome.
Sugar snap peas. You see them? There's some right here.
Oh.
Just pick one off and eat it. Let's see what you think.
Pretty good.
So crunchy and fresh. I love it. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I'm like, man, I kind of feeling like this is giving cucumbers a run for their money, because, I mean, these things are yummy. And the leaves are really good, too. Oh, that one was sweet. That one was really yummy. Ooh, taste this big one, boo.
That one is sweet. That's a different one than these?
No, it's just more mature. Like, and so it's just fatter.
It gets sweeter with maturity.
And I don't even like peas. And these are delicious.